So I wanted to make this super beginner friendly. So you will be doing ponytails as your foundation, and then the front I went ahead and made me some triangle ponytails because I just like the way they look on me when I do faux locks or any type of protective style. I feel like it just makes the style stand out. And then now I'm just going to be showing you the locks that I'm going to be using from Eayon Hair. They provided me with 4 bundles and they were really full. I feel like they're equivalent to like 8 packs from the local beauty supply, as well as this little bundle of kinky hair, which I'm going to be using to wrap my crochet hair in the front to give it an individual lock look. So now we have our individuals in the front to give it a very natural look. I'm going to be going in with my net cap that I got from my local beauty supply. This is going to be used as our foundation. That way we can get a nice full look and also have that extra security. To create a really good foundation and keep my cap in place, I'm going to be crocheting locks around my cap. That way we keep it in place. That way we have a nice secure foundation for the rest of the locks. We have our foundation. Now we are ready to go and fill in the rest of the cap, and I'm just going to be using the rest of the bundles that they gave me. This is all one bundle, so I have 3 whole bundles left and it was nice and full. So at this point it's kind of self-explanatory. After, I'm going to cut that band that you see around the cap. That way we can go in and fill in the top part where I have some ponytails kind of showing to give it some more fullness.